Hi, it's Michael Battaglia from DRP Solutions, here with a new video series on how to maintain your infrastructure. We'll give you advice to stay ahead of your technology and tips to keep your hardware running at their peak performance. Today, we'll focus on the safety and maintenance of your equipment, and that starts with the heart of your IT equipment being the firewalls, servers, and switches, which should exist in their own room or IT closet. This IT room should be located in a dry and well ventilated area with proper airflow to minimize dust. Installing an AC unit can help accomplish this, in addition to keeping the room cool so that those devices aren't overheating. The equipment should be behind a closed door and locked for safety. This will also reduce noise from the fans, as they can be very loud from IT equipment. The computers in your environment are the workhorses that power your business and need to be treated as such. Please keep them clean and free from clutter. Regularly dust and wipe your workstation. A can of compressed air and rubbing alcohol on a paper towel work very well for this. Avoid stacking papers or other items on top of your computer, as this leads to excess heat, which will decrease performance and reduce the life of that equipment. Speaking of equipment life, refrain from letting your laptop discharge all the way to zero or charge it over 100% by leaving it plugged in 24/7, as this damages battery. Lastly, keep liquids away from all electronics. And that's it for today's episode. Check out our ebook for more insight and continue to follow us here at DRP Solutions. We'll continue our tips and tricks conversation with you all next week.